Hello mga ka-Money-wise! Welcome back to my channel. This video is a follow-up about the new MP2 rollover option na kasama sa Enhanced Guidelines for MP2 Savings Program which took effect noong February 28, 2026. May mga questions about the rollover option na gray area dahil hindi explicitly stated sa bagong guidelines. Kaya nag-send ako ng email sa Pag-ibig to get clarifications. I will share in this video yung mga sagot sa tanong about the new MP2 rollover option. I-review ulit natin ang guidelines. Number 1, all members na may MP2 savings account na na-open under these guidelines which took effect noong February 28 ay makaka-receive ng notification of their account's maturity. Sa time ng enrollment or bago mag-mature ang MP2 savings account, pwedeng mag-agree ang member sa one-time rollover ng kanyang MP2 principal savings at ang corresponding returns pagdating ng maturity. Ang rollover na ito ay applicable lang for one additional 5-year MP2 cycle under the same return payout option, annual or compounded, subject sa mga susunod na conditions. Kailangan nakapagbigay ng prior consent ang member either sa time ng enrollment or upon receiving the notification within 6 months bago mag-mature ang MP2 savings term. And the total amount of the member's MP2 principal savings shall not exceed 20 million pesos. Yung sobra sa 20 million pesos ay ibabalik nila. Maraming nagtanong nito, pag nag-rollover ba ng matured MP2 account, same account number ba ang gagamitin or need ng new MP2 account number? Ito ang sagot ng Pag-ibig. Kailangan daw ng new MP2 account number para doon ma-rollover ang funds from the matured MP2 account. Tinanong ko rin kung paano mag-rollover ng matured MP2 savings. Ang sagot ng Pag-ibig, kailangan daw pumunta sa any Pag-ibig branch to process the rollover application. Kailangan mag-submit ng fully accomplished and signed application for Provident Benefits. And kailangan din ng ID, either Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or one valid ID of the member. Sa APB form, ilagay ang bagong MP2 savings account number dito sa authority to transfer. Pwede ring ilagay kung full amount o partial amount lang ang gusto mong i-roll over sa bagong account. Ilagay mo 100% kung i-roll over mo principal, including dividends. And pwedeng less than 100%. So, it's up to you how much ang gusto mong ipa-roll over. Kung partial amount lang ang ipapa-roll over mo, yung balance will be credited to your Loyalty Card Plus or through check payment. Pwede rin daw ipa-roll over through a representative kung hindi ka makakapunta sa branch. Kailangan lang mag-submit ng authorization letter and valid ID of both parties. Yung ID mo at ID ng representative. Tinanong ko kung pwedeng mag-roll over online. Ang sabi ng Pag-ibig, hindi raw pwedeng mag-roll over online. Need to coordinate directly to any Pag-ibig branch. Pero I think pwede siya dapat gawin online. Kasi pag mag-submit ka ng matured MP2 withdrawal online, same yung form na gagamitin at isasubmit online, ang application for Provident Benefits. Sa bagong APB form, dalawa yung options na pagpipilian, authority to transfer and authority to credit. Pag gusto mo ipa-roll over, piliin mo ang authority to transfer. And then, indicate mo lang ang bagong MP2 account number kung saan mo gustong ipa-roll over ang fund mo at percentage ang gusto mong i-roll over. Indicate mo din ang account number kung saan mo ipapa-deposit yung mapupunta sa'yo kung partial rollover ka lang. Hindi ko siya masubukan kung pwede nga online kasi wala pa akong matured MP2 account. 2 years pa yung isa kong account bago mag-mature. Kaya hindi ko pa siya matatry kung pwedeng ang mag-roll over online. For withdrawal, choose mo ang authority to credit and indicate disbursement card kung saan mo gustong ipa-deposit ang fund. 500,000 pesos lang ang monthly limit sa AUB loyalty card and Land Bank Cash Card. Ang Union Bank Loyalty Card Plus ay walang limit. Kung may limit ang cash card mo, yung lalampas sa 500,000 na limit ay through check payment. Kung hindi mo i-roll over ang matured MP2 savings mo, mako-close na ang MP2 account immediately and it will be reclassified as accounts payable. At kapag na-reclassify na ang account, mag-stop na ito mag-earn ng MP2 dividends. Dati kasi, kahit nag-mature na ang MP2 account, pwede pa itong kumita ng dividends hanggang 2 years. Pero mas mababa na nga lang ang dividend rate dahil P1 dividend rate na ang gagamitin. Magsisend daw ng reminder ang Pag-ibig Fund prior to the maturity of the MP2 savings account. Dito sa updated frequently asked questions ng MP2, nakalagay nga dito na MP2 savings which are unclaimed after its 5-year maturity will stop earning dividends under the MP2 savings rate. Wala na dito yung dating nakalagay na it will continue to earn dividends for another 2 years using regular Pag-ibig savings dividend rates. So your matured MP2 savings shall remain available for you to withdraw at any time. Tinanong ko rin ito, for matured MP2 account na na-create na before the new MP2 guidelines noong February 28, will it continue to earn dividends for another 2 years pag hindi agad na claim? Ito yung sagot ng Pag-ibig, for matured MP2 account created before, yes, it will earn dividends. Pero kailangan daw nilang i-validate muna at i-clarify if the said account still earn dividends. Ayan, importante to. Kapag tapos na yung one-time rollover o kaya naman pinili mo na hindi mag-rollover after 5 years, wag mo na hulugan yung account number na yon. Kasi any succeeding remittances o yung mga susunod na iuhulog mo ay maka-classify as accounts payable. So, hindi na siya kikita ng dividends. Ibabalik din yan sa'yo. Kapag na-reclassify na siya as accounts payable, kailangan mo na i-withdraw ang matured MP2 savings mo kasi hindi na siya mag-earn ng dividends. So, pwede kang mag-withdraw online or sa any Pag-ibig branch. Kapag hindi na-claim ang MP2 sa loob ng 10 taon, ililipat ito sa retained earnings ng Pag-ibig Fund. Ang retained earnings ng Pag-ibig Fund ay yung kita nila or parang savings ng fund na hindi pa nagagamit na pwede nilang gamitin para sa future dividends. Pero syempre, bago ilipat sa retained earnings, sisikapin daw ng Pag-ibig na hanapin ang member or rightful claimant para mabigyan sila ng opportunity na ma-withdraw ang kanilang MP2 savings and dividends. So, sa mga nagtatanong, hindi siya automatic na i-deposit sa account or loyalty card plus. Kailangan talaga siyang i-withdraw upon maturity.